Hi, I'm Jeffrey. I'm a licensed therapist and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll go over a simple mindfulness practice that you can use on a daily basis so that you can train your mind to spend more time in the present moment. Mindfulness is the conscious act to focus our awareness on the present. Therefore, for this exercise, we're going to use our breath as an anchor to place our awareness. To begin this exercise, sit up straight. This is because I don't want you to feel groggy or tired throughout the exercise. If we lay down for this exercise, we may become too relaxed to the point that we lose focus on our breath. Feel free to do this exercise with your eyes open or with your eyes closed, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Now that you've found a comfortable posture, I want you to start noticing your breathing. Don't try to control it. Simply notice the air going in and out of your nostrils. Observe your breathing without judgment. Let go of any control and simply pay attention to your breathing. Now, I want you to keep paying attention to your breathing. You will notice that there will be times where your mind drifts to other places. That's okay. Simply notice that your mind is wandering and return your mind back to your breathing. The goal is not to stay focused all the time. The goal is to be able to have the ability to return back to your breathing once your mind started wandering. Let's do this for another 2 minutes. Simply continue noticing your breathing without judgment. Now, slowly open your eyes. Great work. You just completed a mindfulness practice. After days and weeks of practice, you will be able to refocus your mind to spend more time in the present moment instead of in the past or in the future. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And for more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next one.